10 interesting facts about Arctic and Antarctic animals. 1. Arctic wolves can survive for weeks without food at -50 degrees Celsius. 2. Arctic foxes may have up to 25 pups, a record for mammals. 3. Polar bears are the largest land predators, weighing up to 1,000 kilograms. 4. Orcas are apex predators with no natural enemies. 5. Leopard seals can swim at speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. 6. The sperm whale has the largest brain on Earth, 7.8 kilograms. 7. Brown bears gain up to 200 kilograms before hibernation. 8. Wolverines patrol territories up to 1,300 square kilometers. 9. Emperor penguins grow to 120 centimeters and weigh about 40 kilograms. 10. Walrus tusks reach 1 meter long and weigh up to 5 kilograms.